You ain't see that. Hey good people, it's Cece Devereaux and I'm coming to you with a DIY video, but this one's different because we're not using a sewing machine. This one is really quick, easy to do. I don't know about you, but I have a difficulty wearing hats. I've always had this problem because my head is large. But now that I also have locks, it makes it even harder to fit a hat on my head. So I came up with a little quick way to get a hat to fit on my head so that I can switch it up a little bit. Throw a little razzmatazz in there, get a little extra flair on them. So I'm going to take this hat and I'm going to make it fit. Point blank, simple, easy. I got this one from Walmart for $2.97 before taxes, but you can use any ball cap. And this is where we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut in a circle around here. You just wanna make sure you have enough space for your hair to come out of. It's better off to start small, and if you need more room, then you can come back and cut some more. You don't wanna cut too much and then end up with a big old hole. I'm going to use the center of the cap, this little button here, to measure where I want to cut. And I'm going to also use these little holes in the front to make sure that I don't go too far. I don't cut too far forward, because I don't want, when I wear the hat, I don't want you to be able to see where I cut it. I do want it to look like a full hat when I wear it. So we're gonna find the little button here, the little center, wherever your center is, and you're going to fold the hat and cut just to make a slit. So you know exactly where you wanna start cutting. See my little finger poking through there? Yeah. So now I know exactly where I wanna cut. I'm going to cut around the button in a complete circle. Be sure not to cut too far forward. When you're done, you should have a hole like that. And that's it, guys. So once you cut that hole, that's it. That's it. This is where your locks, your ponytail, your bundles, all of that is gonna sprout through here. And if you need to, you can always cut more. I would tend to cut more towards the back of your cap so that the front remains intact. You don't have to worry about these jagged edges or looking perfect, because you're not gonna see that at all whatsoever when you put it on. If it looks really janky, literally you can fold it down while you have it on and it'll look cute. So don't worry about trying to hem this or do anything else. It won't matter at all. The easiest DIY with Devereaux. Probably the easiest ever. You're welcome. Okay, to skip my hair in a hat, I do put it in a ponytail first and then stick the hair through the hole and make it happen. So I use a big rubber band. I use a small one. All of my hair into the big rubber band. Double up. Okay, so we got it all into the big rubber band. It's gonna look like this. Take this part, and we're gonna put a smaller tie hairband. Not tight, guys. None of these should be tight. It should look something like this. Real crazy, right? It's not meant to be cute. It's just so that we can get the hair through the hole. That's all. We're now going to take our hole, which I did cut it some more, as you can see. Cut it more to the back, so it's kind of big. We're gonna take our hole and stick the hair right through it. Snap this down so that it fits. And we can take these rubber bands out. And there you have it. Just fluff it. I call this the kid and play hat. And remember I told you you can't see the jagged edges? And even if you can, all you have to do is tuck them like that. And now, your hat, ladies and gentlemen, fits on your head. Okay. Until next time, guys. Bye. Be sure to head over to my Instagram page so you can see how I styled this hat previously, and also to keep up with me because I'm over there all the time.